Hi, I am Mohammed from Calgary, Alberta. I am reviewing Outbound Kayak Paddle wide, which I put to the test, and I really like it because it's really very lightweight and very easy to maneuver. And when you're like kayaking and just putting maneuvering this paddle into the water, it doesn't like increase the weight as compared to the other paddle that are available. So I really like the design of it, and the maneuverability and lightweight is so easy on the body and everything. So definitely, I always recommend this one for sure. Like this is like one of the best paddle that I've ever used because of its lightweight and maneuverability. I really like it very much. Definitely, this is a product that I'd recommend to everyone because this is, like I said, it's a lightweight, very maneuver paddle, very easy on the body, and definitely I would recommend it to everyone because it's so very easy to use it in water and very lightweight, so you don't get fatigued by like using it on kayaking and everything. So definitely, for sure, this is a product that I would 100% recommend it.